video, we discovered key events. In this video, we will discover two ways data binding. What does mean two ways data binding? I will give you an example. Here I have an input, and under I will have a span. Inside this span, I will create a variable and I will call it name, two parents, and change it to none. And here I will have my name like this and giving name. If I type something in this input, I want to show it here. So if I want to do this model, I will use the property called v-model. Then I will effectuate the name of our variable, which is name. So let's see. If I type something, it shows here. Nice. Here I will give you another example. So I will delete this button and this pane, and here I will duplicate this input 2 times. So also delete this. So if I type something in this input, it writes also in the other inputs. Same thing here. Write or modify something, also here modify. So the v-model change directly the variable in Vue.js. This is all for this tutorial. Hope you like it and take care of yourself.